As you can see, guys, our project is working.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray.
So guys, as you can see, this is our generator. We want to make an homemade generator. As you can see, simple generator. So, and this is our battery, 3.7 volt battery, guys. And here is our switch. So we are going to test it now and see how our generator is working, guys. So let's test it. As you can see, guys, our project is working. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video, guys. As you can see, it is very bright.